Here we got another eBay package. I'm gonna box it right now. So these are eBay speakers again. This is a poorly packaged product. Used product. Off. Gotta make sure I should put the box. That was definitely packaged, but everything seems to be probably okay. I don't really care if these are broken though. You can ask for a refund. They're cheap anyways. But these are likely going to be destroyed. They're Kenya speakers. Remember having those. So light and so cheap. But cheap plastic. And the so-called subwoofer thing. They don't sound good. I remember throwing one of these around and the subwoofer broke. So it might be okay. Oh, actually, it does feel sturdy, actually. So it was cheaper than I expected. If these sounded good, I'll probably keep them. But I really doubt the sound quality is good. They're like Kenya speakers. I bought those for $14. Like, my dad bought those back in 27 for $14. 2007, actually, not 2017. Actually, 2008. This is the close set. Yeah, thanks for watching.